Do you find it very difficult sending data or airtime from one network to other network? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you a simple way you can send data or airtime from one network to another network. Let's get started. So just open the dialer on your phone and type *161# and then send. Then you select either you want to purchase either airtime, data, or choose 3 to exit. So I want to purchase data, so I'll select 2. Then you choose your preferred network, either Airtel Tigo, MTN, or Telecel. I'm purchasing the data for an MTN number, so I'll just type 2 and send. I will then select my bundle category, either I want Flexi or the other data packages. Then you go ahead and select your bundle. When you get here, you are going to select either you want to purchase the data to this very number or to another number. So I'm sending it to another MTN number, so I will select 2. We will then type our number here, and after typing our number, we will tap on send. You will then wait for some few seconds for mobile money authorization. When it comes, you just input in your mobile money pin and then you type send again. After typing and sending your mobile money pin, the data or the airtime you purchase will be delivered in less than 1 second. This is great Filippo, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now and also like this video. Thank you for watching.